What's up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to refinish your tub. There are many products out there, but today we'll be using the Rustoleum marine coatings, and we're going to use the primer and the topside paint. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is do any repairs to your tub. So here we had a nail to push through. Now this is a fiberglass tub, so what we repaired it with is the bundo glass. So if you have a fiberglass tub, use the bundo glass to repair any nail holes or small cracks in your fiberglass before doing your epoxy coating. The next step would be to clean your tub. So however you clean your tub, whatever products you use, that's your next step to get it very clean or to get it as clean as possible. So let's get the tub cleaned. So if you can see here, our cleaning process is going to be a little different. If you can see, someone has previously painted the tub. So you can see here we have paint that we're gonna have to remove from the tub, but we're gonna get everything as clean as possible. And it looks like it's maybe in certain spots, but that's what I found. So we're gonna get everything cleaned up and go from there. This is all before cleaning. And after. So the next step is to go ahead and remove your fixtures, and we'll go ahead and tape those up. We'll tape the drain, the two drain holes, and tape up all valves. If you're not replacing them, you can just tape around your fixtures, your faucet fixtures. So then we're gonna go ahead and tape off all around and get that set up. So let's get everything done. Now that we got everything prepped, we got everything taped off, our drains are taped off and our valves are taped up, you may wonder why I decided to use the Rustoleum brand this time. If you remember, we have two tubs in this house to do. So one thing I like about the Rustoleum brand, the primer and the topside are all one part. That means it's a 1 part primer, 1 part paint. Other brands, or some other brands, are 2 part, which means an A and a B, and once you mix the A and the B, it starts to set up as you start to roll it on. So after I finish doing this tub, I'll go up and start cleaning another tub, but my paint and primer will last as long as it's sealed up. So that's one of the reasons I decided to use the Rustoleum marine coatings this time. So It's a 1-part primer and a 1-part paint. So let's get everything set up. So from here, our technique may differ. You can roll it on, which most people do, and let the first coat dry and come back and do a second coat. Since I have 2 tubs to do, I'm gonna spray it on and go work on the other tub and come back and do another coat. If you have a small compressor, you can invest in a spray gun, which runs you about $15 and makes it easy. That way you're in and out. And also, you always want to wear a respirator. So I'll be wearing a full face mask to protect my eyes and breathing. So let's get everything set up and get it done. This is 2 coats of primer. And the drying time is about 4 hours at 70 degrees. And it'll be ready to do the top coat paint. One thing I like about spraying, the drying time to the touch is shorter and the curing time is shorter. And one thing you want to make sure you have is good ventilation, which most bathrooms don't have windows, but I have a fan running, pulling out, and have the window open, and this bedroom is closed. So within 1 hour, all the smell is pretty much out. Everything is vented and everything is dry to the touch. But you want to at least let it cure for 4 hours at 70 degrees. This is the second tub before. Tub 2, prepped. And ready for primer. take 2 tubs to do, and it dries to a smooth, flat finish. So the next step is to do our top coat paint. So let's get it done. This is tub number 2, ready for top coat paint. This is tub number 2. So this brings this video to an end. So we did change out the valves and put on new hardware along with the drain stopper. This product is the Rustoleum Topside paint. We used the paint and the primer, and we did spray this product. You can roll it. It's a self-leveling product and it works fine. It comes to a smooth, high gloss white finish. So if you got any questions, just put them in the comment section. And check out my other video on how to spray it with a inexpensive airless sprayer and get the same results. Until then, we'll talk to you later.